Hello guys, welcome back to the F40 Ferrari build. This will be issue 4 that we're going to be. I thought I'd better start showing you the actual book of what we're going to be doing. So this is issue 4. So let's open up a few pages. Have a gaze at this. Is going to be on the actual issue 4 is going to be on the actual car itself. So, just telling you a bit about the F40 there, so just some stuff to read up on. Then you get to the another page there of it. Then you get to the middle page. You get a nice photo of the F40 for you to hang up. You get you do get posters of Ferraris in each issue and a bit more. And this is what we're going to be doing in issue 4. So there we go. That's what we're going to be doing. And in this issue we've got the front rim, a hub, ring nuts, and type B screws by 4. So we'll be getting that all done, and yeah, let's get on with it. Yeah, we'll be putting 3 screws into these type B screws. It's the only screws that we're going to get with it anyway. There's actually 4 here, so I'm going to be screwing this in now where the holes have matched up. Just dip the screw in a bit of oil, and then we're just going to screw this in. I'm just going to not tighten that one up yet. I just want to make sure I get the other 2 in, just to make sure they're all comfortably into my oil again, because we are going into metal. And screw that one in just gently. Got that one in. The third one in, dip into the oil again, into position there, and then I can tighten all that up now. Now I know they're all lining up. I'm quite happy with that. And of course we got 1 screw left over, which we'll put that in a bag. And now what we're going to be doing is putting on the tyre. Okay guys, I've just started to put the tyre on. There are some times where the tyre is too hard to put on, so what you can do is sometimes put it in hot water just to soften the tyre up if you need to do that. I think I had to do it on the last one I did. There was 1 or 2 tyres that, I think it might have been the rear tyres that just did not want to go on. But there is issue 4 completed. Now, I do want to give a quick mention too. I've inquired about the Night Rider, because that's the model that diecast model that I want to do next. I was sort of like humming and hawing over doing the Super Snake, but I'm inquiring about getting the Night Rider. It's not released here in Australia yet, so I'm inquiring about that one, but I'll let you know how far that I go with that. But yeah, let's see what we get in issue 5 for next week. In issue 5 we've got coming the brake disc and brake caliper, brake disc cover, and another brake external brake disc. So that's what's coming in issue 5. Until then, see you later.